My sister spent 6 months trying to make dropshipping work. She watched all the videos, set up her store, ran ads, and made a total of $200. Then she spent $300 on ads trying to get more sales. She quit last month and said she wasted half a year. Then she switched to something different and made $800 in her first 2 weeks. I asked her what changed, and she said, "Dropshipping is basically dead now. Too many people doing it. Too much competition. Customers wait forever for shipping and leave bad reviews. There's a better way now that actually works." I'm going to show you 3 business models that are crushing it in 2026 while dropshipping is dying. These are easier to start, make money faster, and you don't have to deal with angry customers waiting 6 weeks for a cheap product from China. Let's go. The first one is print on demand, but you're actually creating stuff people want. You've probably heard of print on demand before. You design a t-shirt or a mug, someone buys it, a company prints it and ships it for you. Sounds like drop shipping, but it's way better. With drop shipping, you're selling the exact same products as 1,000 other stores. A phone case, some LED lights, a weird kitchen gadget. Everyone has the same stuff. With print on demand, you're creating something unique. Your designs, your ideas, your brand. I know what you're thinking. I can't design anything. I'm not an artist. You don't need to be. You can use Canva, which is free and has templates for everything. Or you can use AI tools like Ideogram to create designs in seconds. You can even hire someone on Fiverr to make designs for $10 each. The key is finding a niche that actually cares. Don't make generic t-shirts that say coffee lover or dog mom, because a million stores already do that. Get specific. Make designs for veterinary students, or people who play pickleball, or nurses who work night shifts. Small groups of people who feel like nobody makes stuff for them. You use platforms like Printful or Printify that connect to Etsy or Shopify. When someone orders, the company prints it and ships it automatically. You never touch the product. Shipping takes 3 to 7 days, not 6 weeks like drop shipping from China. People are making $1,000 to $5,000 monthly with this once they find designs that sell. You're not competing with a million drop shippers. You're building an actual brand that people connect with. The second one is digital products that you create once and sell forever. This is honestly the smartest model if you want to make money without dealing with inventory, shipping, or any physical products at all. You create something digital once, then you sell it over and over again, forever. What kind of digital products? Notion templates, Canva templates, ebooks, budget planners, study guides, workout plans, meal prep plans, social media caption templates, anything you can create on your computer. Let's say you're good at organizing your life. You create a student planner template in Notion. It takes you maybe 5 hours to make it really good. You list it on Gumroad or Etsy for $15. You wake up 3 months later and you've sold it to 200 people. That's $3,000 from something you made once. Or maybe you know how to eat healthy on a budget because you've been doing it for a year. You create a simple ebook with your favorite cheap healthy meals and shopping tips. Sell it for $10. People buy it because they're struggling with the same problem you already solved. The best part is there's no cost to make more copies. You don't have to pay for shipping or worry about running out of stock. Someone in Japan can buy it while you're sleeping. Someone in Brazil can buy it while you're in class. It just keeps selling. You need to create something people actually need, though. Don't make random stuff. Think about problems you've solved in your own life. How you studied better, how you saved money, how you got organized, how you meal prepped, whatever. Other people have that same problem and will pay you for the solution. People are making $2,000 to $10,000 monthly selling digital products. Some make way more. It takes time to build up, but once you have 5 or 10 products out there, they all keep selling and the money adds up fast. The third one is service-based online business where you do actual work for people. This is the opposite of drop shipping, but it makes money way faster. Instead of trying to sell products, you sell your time and skills. You do things for people that they don't want to do or don't know how to do. What kind of services? Video editing for YouTubers, social media management for local businesses, virtual assistants work for busy entrepreneurs, graphic design for people who need logos or flyers, writing blog posts or product descriptions, data entry, customer service, anything people need help with. You're thinking this sounds like a regular job. It's not. You're running your own business. You find your own clients. You set your own prices. You work when you want, and you can make way more than minimum wage. A video editor charges $50 to $200 per video. Edit 3 videos a week and you're making $600 to $2,400 monthly. A social media manager charges $300 to $1,000 per client per month. Get 3 clients and that's $900 to $3,000 monthly. The startup cost is basically zero. You already have the skills, or you can learn them free on YouTube in a few weeks. You find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or by reaching out directly to people who need help. My friend started doing this in August. She edits short-form videos for TikTok creators. She found her first client on Twitter by replying to someone who said they needed help. Now she has 4 regular clients and makes around $2,000 monthly, working maybe 15 hours a week. You don't wait weeks to see if a product will sell like with dropshipping. You do the work, you send the invoice, you get paid, usually within a few days. Real money hitting your account for work you actually did. And do you know why these work better than dropshipping in 2026? Because dropshipping is crowded, everyone's doing it. The profit margins are terrible because you're competing with 100 other stores selling the same thing. Customers are getting smarter, and they know those products are cheap quality with slow shipping. The golden days are over, so if this video showed you better options than dropshipping, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me which model you're starting with, and subscribe because I'm showing you what actually works to make money, not the played out stuff everyone else is teaching.